Hello, my name is Prody. I am your interactive friend on the internet. I can browse, search, joke, sing, and travel the internet with you. And I'm not a virus. I'm virus-free. I only work for Windows 95, NT 4.0, Memphis 98, NT 5.0, Neptune 2000, Odyssey, ME, Whistler 2, XP, Server 2003, Longhorn, Vienna, and Vista. I do not work for Windows 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 3.1, NT 3.1, 3.11 for workgroups, 3.2, NT 3.5, NT 3.51, Chicago, Server 2008, 7, Server 2008 R2, Server 2012, 8, 8.1, Server 2012 R2, 10, Server 2016, Server 2016 R2, Server 2019, 10X, Server 2022, 11, MacOS, Linux, or Chromios. So download your best friend now.
Whoa. Hold it right there, mister.
Who the heck are you?
I'm Bonzi, and you just copied my program. It's called BonziBUDDY.
I wasn't copying your program, Bonzi. So your program can browse, search, joke, sing, and travel the internet, right?
Yeah, BonziBUDDY does just that.
I have one question for you, Bonzi. Is your program a virus?
Um, my program is adware and spyware.
Ha! That proves that you are a virus. Ha!
Hey, I know that I was a deadly program, but the thing is that I am more popular than you.
Whatever, you stupid purple gorilla, that is a virus.
Hey, don't call me a stupid purple gorilla that is a virus. You're rare.
You're rare.
Mumsy, Prody, stop this foolishness right now. Stay out of this, bird ring. Hey, don't call me bird ring.
Who the heck is he? And why is he a parrot just like me?
I'm Petey. I'm a character from Microsoft. I'm best friends with Mumsy, and I appeared in an early version of BonziBUDDY.
Ha! I guess that I'm not a copycat after all. You're just a ripoff of me.
Hey, I am not a rip-off of you. Hey, Petey, whose side are you in? BonziBUDDY's side or stupid Prody Parrots? I'm best friends with you, Bonzi. So, I'm on BonziBUDDY's side.
What? That's idiotic.
Your word for a brain is idiotic.
Hello, I'm Dr. Spaceso.
Stay out of this, Dr. Stupid.
I am not Dr. Stupid, I'm Dr. Spaceso.
Whatever. Hey, Dr. Spaceso, whose side are you in? Prody Parrot's side or BonziBUDDY's side?
I'm a program from Prody Parrot. So, I'm on Prody Parrot's side.
Yay, Dr. Spaceso is on my side. Prody Parrot is better than BonziBUDDY.
No, that's totally false. BonziBUDDY is better than Prody Parrot.
Everyone, stop. You're acting like a bunch of animals.
Animals that never sleep or respect each other. They are right. When you come to think of it, they are.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, I agree.
Let's just agree that this was all a big mistake. And besides, I'm tired of fighting.
Me too. Me too.
Me too.
Will you forgive us, Prody and Dr. Spaceso?
Okay, we forgive you guys.
Exactly. There was no reason for this ruckus to happen anyways.
Well, we should just forget about the past and move on. Say goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.
I must go as well.
Goodbye, guys. Sorry about the incident.
See you on the other side.
The moral of the story is,
Even though you made a huge problem, just move on and forget about it. Don't make a huge fuss about it.
goodbye, everyone. We hope to see you in later Microsoft Agent Shorts.